Today I'm going to talk about some construction equipment that we use many different and difficult places. As a civil engineer, we should know classification of construction equipment: earth moving equipment, hauling equipment, hoisting equipment, conveying equipment, aggregate and concrete production equipment, pile driving equipment, tunneling and rock drilling equipment, pumping and dewatering equipment. Operation involved in construction of any project: excavation, digging of large quantities of earth, moving them to distance which are sometimes fairly long, placement, compacting, leveling, dozing, grading, hauling. Types of construction equipment: moving machines, bulldozers, loaders, scrappers, graders, and trenching machines. The excavated material is removed, transported, and deposited. For removal of layers of earth, stationary machines, face shovels, backhoes, drag lines, and grabs. The excavator loosens the soil and loads without changing position. Loss of mobility compared to scrappers and bucket loaders. More force may be applied. Now I'm talking about some construction equipment and application. Power shovel. Application: suitable for close range of work, capable of digging very hard materials, can remove big-sized boulders. It is used in various types of jobs such as digging in gravel banks, clay pits, digging carts in road works, roadsides, barns, so on. Backhoe. Application: it is the most suitable machine for digging below the machine's level, such as trenches, footings, basements, so on. It can be efficiently used to dredge or trim the surface, avoiding the use of manual effort for dredging the excavated the surface. Dragline. Application: it is the most suitable machine for dragging softer material and below its truck level. It is very useful for excavating trenches when the sides are permitted to establish their angle of response without shoring. It has long recesses. It is mostly used in the excavation for canals and depositing on the embankment without hauling units. Gramshill. Application: used for handling loose materials such as crushed stones, sands, gravels, coal, so on. Main features is very vertical lifting of material from one location to another. Mainly used for removing material from coffer, dams, shower main holes, well foundation, etc. Scrappers. Application: unique machines for digging and long distance hauling of pluckable materials. Self-operating machines. It is not dependent on other equipment. Wheels of machines cause some compaction. The basic parts of scrappers are the boil air pump and tailgate or rejector. Bulldozer. Application: for spreading the earth fill, for opening up pilot roads through mountainous and rocky terrains, clearing construction sites, maintaining haul roads, clearing land from the trees and stumps, backfilling trenches at construction sites by dragging the earth from one place to another. Thanks for watching this video.